Hey guys, I am Pratik Karapurkar. Welcome back to my channel of Football Talks. Here you will get each and every update about football, and in today's video we are going to discuss about uh, the match of PSG means Paris Saint-Germain versus Reims, because in that Messi just debuted in that match. He had a debut in that match, so I'll just talk about it. We'll discuss about it, and the main topic is of Emerson, Royal Emerson and Ilaix Moriba's transfer. So yes, without wasting time, let's get started now. So first we are going to talk about the topic of means PSG's game, Paris game versus Reims. Yes, in that Messi just debuted. Messi debuted in that match, and it was very hard to see him in that Paris jersey and playing on the pitch also. I saw that game. It was like everyone were doing just their work. They were not playing as a team. They were just doing their work like they are in a factory. They are just doing their work. They have to just pass and goal. They were doing their work, and crowd was also not that. Messi was not actually comfortable in that team, in that crowd, in that field. He was not that comfortable. I just saw him that time. He was not smiling too, and yes, he was not that comfortable. And yes, it was very hard to digest that Messi is playing for PSG. Yes, and he was also not happy, Messi. And PSG won it 2-0, and that too Mbappe scored 2 goals. Means you are playing in a league named League One, that is not also in the top five leagues of in the world, and you just win 2-0. You means I'm just surprised that Paris is gonna face Man City in UCL, and they are playing like this. Means uh, let's see now what they will do. But it was very hard. Means it was very, you can say, sad that Messi he was not smiling too. So yes, it felt bad. uh, okay, so let be now. Now we will talk about the hot topic, Emerson and Moriba's transfer. Yes, Royal Emerson is gonna go to Tottenham, means Tottenham Hotspurs, and Tottenham will give us 30 million. Yes, it's a big amount. So Barcelona has agreed, because yes, many of you will be saying that why Emerson has just came 1 month ago, and uh, you are just sending him to Tottenham. Yes, but yes, if I would have been the president, then I would have done this also, because by seeing the club's financing problem, yes, it's okay now. Means you, if 30 million are coming, then what's the problem? Yes, Emerson, because 30 million are coming. Why? Because Emerson is a that type of a player. Yes, he has that quality, so okay, no problem. And Moriba is also going to Leipzig, and yes, I'm finally happy that Moriba is going, because he's such a useless player in Barca. Yes, he's very talented, and many of them were saying that he's the young Pogba 2.0. Yes, he is young Pogba. Yes, no doubt. He plays very nicely, but by seeing the club's finances, he was saying that I want to increase my salary. Yes, so and I think Leipzig will give us around 26 million something. And yes, I'm happy that it's a last day, transfer window's last day, and yes, done. It's now these two players have just gone. Yes, Emerson, yes, he is a good player. I am just a bit of sad that Emerson will go, but okay, no problem. We are getting 30 million. Koeman had said that he will sign a number 9. Let's see now what he does, what he does now. Let's see. And there were some reports that Remanai is gonna go to Serie A club, one Serie A club. If he goes, okay, let him go, no problem. Although we are having so many strikers. Pjanic also, he had a contact with Juventus means Allegri. He had contact with Allegri. Now let's see what he does now. But these two transfers are confirmed, and yes, and I'm happy that we are getting 56 million total. So yes, this will help, not help that much in of the finances of the club. But okay, we will sign a number 9 at the last day of this transfer window. So guys, if you have liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up, please give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe it also, and press the bell icon also, because whenever I will post a video, you will get notified. So guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned till next video, and thanks for watching.